有人。
Look at the beef nuggets. You guys right. I'll give you some food. Wait. It's okay. This one. It's not easy to fool around. Eat slowly. No one will compete with you. This is Todd's toothbrush, brush. This is my toothbrush, brush. This is my toothbrush, brush. Oh, my mouth is pricked.
우유 좋아 좋아 이른 아침에 눈을 떠
You all say it's the puppy who's lying. But the puppy never deceives people. Am I still your favorite dog? You're all silent. Okay, whether you love me or not, I will still love you all forever. I want to work in Guangdong. It doesn't matter whether you earn money or not. I mainly want to hear Guangdong people call me a pretty girl. Let's have a big white rabbit today. Okay. Have a piece of milk candy. Good mood. Hurry up and have a piece. Come on, take a bite. I'll take a bite. Eat slowly. If you can eat like this, you will eventually become poor. You take one bite, he takes one bite. You take one bite, he takes one bite. You gave me his mother to eat. Oh, I didn't give you anything to eat. How did you forget? I'm sorry.
Let's go.
橘红色的日落出没在海平线，夜色慢慢摊开，露出星光点点。我听着耳机中记的音乐。
Bo, you finally came to see me. I miss you. Have you paid attention to me? I'm very bad and won't cause trouble for my brothers and sisters. Will you like me if you pass by? A bowl of rice dumpling, stir-fried broccoli, stewed pickles in an iron pot, stir-fried pork with lotus root slices, double-cooked pork slices, bajiang tofu, a chicken leg, Kingfish meatballs, small mantou, a cup of yogurt, a stupid egg, Dry rice, dry rice. So fragrant, so fragrant. Before eating mantou, drink 2 more mouthfuls of yogurt to moisten your throat. Mom said I should lose weight, mainly because I eat so much. My mom can't stop yelling. Having enough to eat and drink is another carefree day.